In this example, we need to know when was the last time we used a vehicle or a truck using a pivot table. So as always, we set up the pivot table. We know we're going to need the vehicle, so I'm immediately going to just put the vehicle in here. Okay, so we've got our vehicles. Now we need to figure out when was the last time we used a vehicle. Now dates and time in Excel are just numbers. So you'll see we've got this deemed load end per cycle time. I'm going to click and drag it. I'm actually going to put it in the values. So at the moment you'll see it's decided it's going to count these items. But if I go into the value field settings, you'll see I've got some options here including max. So what this will tell us is give us the biggest number you find there, which in date and time would be the last time you see. When I say OK, you'll see we get what looks like strange numbers. The reason we get that is because that's how Excel reads dates and times. So we can go back in here and format it. And in this case, I'm going to format it as a date, but I want to make it a custom date because what I want to show is the day, the month, the year. And I actually want to see the day of the week. I'll put 3 Ds there. And I want to know the time as well. So when I say OK, OK. So what you'll see now is we've got all the vehicle numbers and we've got when last it stopped working. In order to make it a bit clearer, we're going to add conditional formatting. So go to Home, New Rule. I'll use that one. And in this case, we're going to use color scales. And what we're going to have is that the lowest value is in red, highest value is in green. So that's the most recently used. When I say OK, you'll see it sorted. So you can see that this vehicle is the most recently used of the batch, and that one hasn't been used for a long time.